Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I thought I'll bring you guys something a little different, allowing you to take any one of your friends' photos and using the power of DeepFake technology, turn them into something like this. And for those of you with super nosy siblings who love to go through your phones, why not take things even further and traumatize them by having their faces prance around your home screen backdrop. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. Now there are quite a few different apps in the Play Store which allow you to get a similar effect. However, the one that I went with brings you a wide array of high quality videos accompanied by some unique audio tracks. So I recommend that you guys check out Faceplay for yourself. And while you're waiting for it to install, make sure to also grab yourselves a photo of your unsuspecting victim. Now the app itself is free to use, however, if you want to unlock even more tracks and remove that slightly annoying watermark, sadly you're going to have to upgrade to the paid version. Now once you've found a footage that you want to use, just simply tap start to add in your own custom face and then let the app do its magic. And after which you should have something that looks like this. And if you're happy with the end result, you can share it or even save it direct to your phone. And for those of you wondering, to get it set up as your home screen backdrop, just simply use any one of these apps, selecting our newly saved file and simply applying it. But if you're after a couple alternative deepfake apps, why not check these ones out as well? If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And make sure you check out my other Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.